Hey everybody, I've been making little resin toys now for a while. This is one of my guys here. And I've been working away out here in my garage making stuff. Up to now, have not been using a pressure pot. And a pressure pot is very good for making sure you don't have bubbles. And in some of my casts, I have little bubbles and it's really frustrating. So I've decided to take it to the next level and invest in a pressure pot. Pressure pot and a compressor that compresses the air to put into the pressure pot. And now I can put resin casts into the pressure pot, pressurize this, and it'll press all the bubbles out, and I should get bubble-free casts. Okay. Anyways, I want to just talk real quick about the machines that I've got because I spent a long time trying to plan this out, talking to a lot of different people, lots of good advice from very talented artists that are doing this sort of work. And I had to think it all through, and it took me quite a while. And I'm not super mechanically inclined. I'm okay, but I'm not that great. So I thought I would make a video for anybody else that's like me to try to just simplify all this a little bit. So this is by California Tools. It's a nice pressure pot. I did spend some money on it, but I wanted to be safe and I wanted to get good results and I wanted it to last me forever. So this is their 2.5 gallon pressure pot. It's designed for resin and it comes just like this out of the box. I'll talk about the connectors in a minute. But it comes like this. I didn't have to connect or adapt anything. Some artists get paint buckets, paint pressure pots, and they adapt it and do different valves and attachments to it to turn it into a resin pot. That's not me. I didn't feel comfortable doing it. I like to be just safe, and I was willing to invest, so I'll put it that way. So this is the California Tools 2.5. There's lots of instructions you'll find online of how to use this specifically, and I'm not going to cover that right now. I just wanted to cover the particulars of what I've got. So I've got this, and then this is the compressor, and this is actually more complicated. It was for me anyways, so hopefully this helps for you. You can get simpler compressors that are for air mattresses, but they've got a different kind of adapter, and it's really hard to figure out how to get that to go out to the pressure pot. So you would have to look at like cutting hoses and adapting it, and I didn't want to do that again. I just want to be safe, and so I got this at Princess Auto. And this is the specific piece that I got. Mini air compressor, okay, by Vaper. Anyway, it's at Princess Auto, and it does what I need it to do. And I'm very happy with it so far. The main thing I want to highlight is that it's got this. This is a 1/4 inch outlet. And that 1/4 inch outlet connects to a pipe. A hose, a rubber hose. You can see how technical I am. It's not a pipe, it's a hose. And that connects out to here and comes up to the end. To the end is another 1/4 inch connector that's got this quick adapter to it that allows me to quickly connect onto the pressure pot, which just goes like this. And so that's pretty slick. So this is from Princess Auto. This cost me Canadian. This cost me around $130, which is a bit more than some of the other cheaper compressors. But it's just so, it just works. And at the same time, it's not too expensive. It definitely goes up to the pressure that I need, but it's not too big, as you can see. It's also not too loud. I'm not going to run it right now, but it's not too loud. It's sitting here on a table, no problem at all, and it's great. And this was the hardest thing, to try to figure out how to find an affordable compressor that would work. And this one works. So like I said, everything else is also from Princess Auto. All the hardware here, that cable that comes out to this connector. This is from California Air Tools, and that's what I need in order to get bubble-free casts. So there you go. I hope that helps, and good luck making cool resin stuff.